Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching My Next Best. In this video we've got an interesting product that came from one of our viewers and subscribers to review this product. They're probably bringing this in the market. It's a body camera, 2K pixels basically, and it says HD 2 million pixels, noise reduction, mobile detection, Wi-Fi control and internal battery. This is basically a body cam, spy cam, or cams that you could use for interview processes or to baby monitor perhaps at home. This looks quite interesting. Doesn't have much branding in or around the box, but it's got some features at the back. Product features: HD megapixel, ultra clear infrared night vision, motion detection, noise reduction, hotspot Wi-Fi, internal battery, Type-C interface, and supports loop recording. So, and it's also got these certifications, FCC certifications, made in China. In the box, we've got the instruction manual, as you can see, in Chinese and in English. It's got some information about the product, buttons. This is like the camera itself, which can be rotated to 180 degrees, which is quite interesting. You can just keep it somewhere and at any angle that can be used. It's got its own app that you could use, time setting, time delay, working humidity, parameters and things like that. So that's basically the instruction manual. Here's something in here. Nothing. Okay, so it's just some sort of protection. Type-C cable as standard, and here's the product itself. So just a quick overview of what it looks like. This is the camera, and if you were to turn this, it might turn. Yeah, you could just keep it like this, for example, and if you had something in your pocket, you could just turn it in this direction and the camera would work. I'm not sure if you're able to get a proper view of this item. Yeah, hopefully it should be clear. So it's got these buttons on the back, microphone, 180 degree recording, light, and a couple other buttons over here as well. And yes, this is the spot for the SD card. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Clearly some work been done. And this is also the clip that you've got if you were to sort of put it in your pocket or things like that. So yeah, quite interesting. Doesn't seem to have, oh, there's the Type-C port. Type-C port, SD card, all the buttons. I'm not sure how to turn this thing on. Let's see, let's press this button and see if it works. Yeah, it's turned on. It's got this video mode turned on. It's probably also recording now. You can't tell. It's just that it records, and then you have to have your SD card. Just turn it off or something. I don't know. It's a bit odd. It doesn't have a on-off button, which might be integrated somewhere. We'd have to sort of find out. We need an SD card to see how the footage works. But here's the clip that you can attach. And this camera can obviously be rotated. It's just a bit of a manual work, but I think it also is automated using this button. So you can also adjust that using the button. So I'm just going to leave it as is for now. And I'm going to do another video to give you an overview of how this works, how the camera works. Because see, if you're going to just leave it like this, it's going to still record, right? Yeah, so interesting product, and I think it's worth a full review, worth a video footage to be seen. 2 million pixels should be good, hopefully, but we'll find out. Yeah, and that's really the product. I think they're bringing this in the market. It's at the moment CS05. That's kind of the brand. It's probably going to be rebranded and things like that to be done on this product, and it will be brought into the market. So for now, this is just the body cam, or the spy cam if you like, and for now this is pretty much all I have. If you've got any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to My Next Best. Take care, cheers, bye bye.